how to add NGL link to Instagram bio. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your NGL app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you can see this option of copy link. Click on it. Link copied, click on OK. After you copy the link of your account, just close this app and open your Instagram app. Now head towards the profile. After you land to the profile page, over here you're gonna find the option of edit profile. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option of links, open it. Click on the option add external link. Now here you have to paste that copied link. After you paste it, click on done. Now you can head back. Click on done again. Now in your profile, you will be able to find the NGL link. So this is how you can easily add NGL link to Instagram bio. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.